Hi, everyone, and welcome to the WP Minute. I'm Eric Karkovac. Today's episode features a segment from my interview with GoDaddy's Adam Warner. Adam joined me to discuss the company's AI tools, its agency program, and what the future has in store. Be sure to catch the entire interview over on our WP Minute Plus channel. Visit thewpminute.com for all the details. I know AI is getting into you mentioned that earlier. That's like the big thing we're all doing now, right? So we have to talk about it. But you have this Airo AI suite that includes WordPress. I've tried that site builder. I was impressed with it. I have to say, it was not what I was expecting. But I know you've got more things going on with Airo. What's happening with that product right now, and what kind of tools are we talking about?
Yeah, so the way that I describe Airo at GoDaddy is basically it's GoDaddy plus AI. And Airo is our AI tool. It pulls from multiple places, and it's been integrated into I don't know all, but I would say most of our offerings. Airo now powers some of our domain search. It powers our website builder, which is non-WordPress, our Plus Marketing digital suite. So if for creating social posts and content, and then in our hosting platform, even in the background, Airo's powering a lot of that. The ultimate goal, I think, with Airo is to simplify uh, simplify a new user or existing customer's ability to find what they need for whatever they're doing, right? So if they are a small business and they come to kind of the main Airo portal, it's really prompting. What do you want to do? I want to build a website. I need an email address. I need X, Y, and Z. And Airo on the back end does a really good job of kind of directing people to where they need to be and surfacing the solutions based on their prompts. Now, Airo for WordPress, right? Well, let's talk about AI in the WordPress ecosystem in general for a second, if I may.
Absolutely.
We've seen the advent of AI across the board, but in the WordPress ecosystem specifically, there is a huge opportunity, I think, in front of us and for WordPress, the software, in regard to AI. It all started with people building solutions for content creation and those sorts of things. And then we have the WordPress website builders, which there's several of them that are AI powered. And then, the idea of um, building an AI into WordPress itself, right, as a core function. What does that mean? What does it bring to users? What does it bring to WordPress, the platform itself? And there was a recent article, and whoever wrote this, please forgive me because I don't recall, but it was recent about WordPress is dead. And the whole angle of the article was it's obviously not, right? That was another topic of, oh, there's this vibe coding platform and that vibe coding platform, and now everyone's going to create every website and every solution with these, right? But then it became clear pretty quickly that there are gaps, right? So you build something with a vibe code, then you have to go outside of that to do the rest, right? You have to go get a domain, you have to go get a payment solution, and then come back and build those in and those sorts of things. And I think the trajectory of WordPress, the software, being positioning more as an engine, um, uh, um, with the advent of AI and the things that are being built, offers WordPress, the software, a huge and long-term future. Right, this whole fear of it's going away, I think it's natural. It's a natural reaction, but I think it's unwarranted as things move forward, and we'll see what the future holds. And so, getting to Airo and WordPress here at GoDaddy, we had started, I think, about a year or more ago, experimenting with AI and Airo powered WordPress website creation. It went through many different iterations. There was a lot of beta user testing, a lot of feedback, and it's in a state now where it's pretty robust. You put in a prompt, you build what you want. It puts out nice looking sites. It accomplishes the mission, and then you have the option of exposing the WordPress dashboard right there within our Airo for WordPress tool as well. So you can get into the nitty gritty of any WordPress dashboard WP admin area you'd need to get to. There's a lot more on the roadmap for Airo for WordPress, but it's been very successful